Inside Mar-a-Lago, Trump's lavish estate tour. Welcome to our exclusive tour of Mar-a-Lago, the luxurious estate of former President Donald Trump. Nestled in the heart of Palm Beach, Florida, this mansion is nothing short of opulent. Starting with the grand entrance, you'll notice the lush, meticulously maintained gardens. They set the tone for the extravagance that awaits you inside this iconic property. As we step into the foyer, the magnificent double staircase immediately catches your eye. It's adorned with gold accents, setting an elegant and grandiose atmosphere from the get-go. The grand ballroom is next, featuring crystal chandeliers and high, painted ceilings. This room has hosted numerous high-profile events and social gatherings over the years. Moving on to the dining room, the space is both expansive and intimate. It boasts a long table, perfect for entertaining guests with the finest culinary experiences. Next, we explore the living quarters, complete with plush furniture and rich fabrics. The decor here strikes a balance between comfort and sophistication, offering a cozy yet regal ambience. The library is a room of intellectual luxury. Wall-to-wall bookshelves filled with rare editions make it a haven for any book lover, complete with leather-bound chairs for reading. Let's head to the outdoor amenities, starting with the stunning pool area. The pool is surrounded by luxurious cabanas and offers breathtaking views of the Atlantic Ocean. The estate also features a world-class spa, providing the ultimate relaxation experience. It includes massage rooms, saunas, and a state-of-the-art fitness center. Additionally, Mar-a-Lago boasts several tennis courts and a lavish golf course. These facilities cater to all your sporting needs, ensuring every day can be filled with activity. As we wrap up our tour, let's not forget the private beach that stretches along the property. Offering seclusion and pristine sand, it's a true paradise. Thank you for joining us on this exclusive tour of Mar-a-Lago. This estate truly reflects the opulent lifestyle of its owner, making it one of the most luxurious properties in the world.